What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know if it hit y'all city, but through Michigan, not just Detroit, but a lot of through Michigan, the gun sales and the ammunition has sparked. More guns have been sold and ammunition is going fast. Certain guns, certain ammo is already sold out. And the only way you're going to get any ammunition is to purchase a new gun. We got one police out here doing something. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. But I'm gonna share this report just to give y'all that this is real serious. People are getting prepared. And we have warned people a long time ago. I've been warning people before. Through my last channel, to get ready. Be prepared. Just because you don't have to use a gun, don't mean you don't need a gun. And what people are in fear of is for the fact that everything is closing early. Okay? Everything is closing. No bars, no clubs, shit like that. Okay? And there's gonna be some looting. There's gonna be break-ins. Already there have been a spark of robbery, people getting shot. It just haven't been reported because of this crisis that we're going through. So, ladies and gentlemen, what do you have to protect your household? What do you have if things get worse? If the economy crashes, because they saying that things are going to get a little worse before it get better. Would you be able to protect your home, your family, yourself, if shit hit the fan? All right, y'all, I just wanted to kick that with y'all. All right? Guns, selling, ammo, running fast, running out. Especially 9mm. And of course, AR-15s, 12 I think a lot of shotguns too, 12 gauge. All right, y'all, if this is your first time watching this video, appreciate you watching. Do me a favor, hit that like button, sub to my channel, or sub to my other channel, Walt G Love channel. I have 2 channels now since I lost my well, I'm gonna quit saying lost. Anything can happen, I can get it back. But do that, like, subscribe, and share. I'll get back at you. Stay alert, people. Stay alert.
Would it be accurate to say that the coronavirus is putting more guns on the streets?
Oh, by far and away.
If you just coming in, we're not selling any ammo without the purchase of a firearm.
And one business not struggling? Gun sales.
They're buying all my guns and they're buying all my ammunition.
Bill Cusick is the owner of Action Impact here on 8 Mile in Southfield. He says his business is up 500% since the coronavirus scare. So how many guns did you sell?
Last 5 days, 400.
And that's That's just in his Southfield store. Cusick sold another 400 in his East Point store, too. But why?
They're afraid there's going to be a zombie apocalypse or some type of purge or something, I don't know.
Maybe. But seriously,
If we have to isolate ourselves, if we have to go into quarantine, we're afraid we're going to be robbed or shot, and I don't know where that thought's coming from, but they absolutely believe it.
but of course you still need to pass a background check before you can buy a firearm. But there's been no problems.
I've just got the greatest customers in the world.
They want their guns.
They want their guns, but at the same time, they're not getting angry at a 2 and 3 hour wait.
And ammunition is so scarce.
I've been offered $500 for a box of ammunition.
But that would be price gouging, and that's not happening. Now, Cusick will only sell ammunition if you buy a new gun.
This is more than Sandy Hook was. This is much more than 9/11 ever was. More than when President Obama took office. This is 5 times that.
In Southfield, Charlie Langton.
National news. A lot of you guys, his life. He loses his life. What's not?
The Walt G Show. 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 The Walt G Show.